Welcome class to Module 2. Module 2 is about classical conditioning. This should hopefully be a very fun introduction into the concepts of classical conditioning. We'll be talking about phylogenetic behavior, learned behavior, as well as a variety of applications of classical conditioning for detection dog work. So what will that actually look like? We're going to try and achieve a couple of learning objectives for you guys. This is going to start off with describing the process of classical conditioning. So hopefully at the end of this, you'll be able to talk to a friend and describe the process of classical conditioning. I'd like for you to have some basis of knowledge in terms of terminology. Hopefully you'll be able to correctly identify and define and describe what an unconditioned stimulus, or US, is, a conditioned stimulus, CS, unconditioned response, UR, and conditioned response, CR, and demonstrate an example of classical conditioning in terms of how your current training program operates. I want you to identify parameters associated with levels of classical conditioning, or essentially levels of conditioned responding, or how much of a response you get from your animals, and design a classical conditioning training program that optimizes some of these parameters for what you're looking for. So this will be demonstrated through an assignment. This will be the assignment that you'll be turning in, which will help you evaluate your own training plans to identify optimal and suboptimal practices within your training program. So hopefully you get a little bit of fun out of this. Let's jump straight into the introduction of reflexes.